welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everything is well. Today we're going to tackle something that I get asked about a lot, specifically on the XC90s, the generation 1 from 2003 to 2012, I believe, or 14, somewhere in there. But it's how to get the spare tire out. Most people that have grown up with Volvo, this is they're very different from the usual Volvos, how they do it in the trunk. And most people have roadside assistance, but it's still something that people may need to do, and people ask about it quite a bit, and I get a lot of emails about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the things you need, how to get the special tools that should be in your car, and how to use the jack and where to mount it, and how to lower it down and get it out. So here we go. So to get to everything that we need to get to, you first have to remove this floor panel. There's two straps. Once this is out of the way, you get down to your battery, and next to the battery, usually on this side, is your tool kit. You'll find this piece, and inside the tool kit you'll find the other end, and this piece hooks into the part that we're going to turn. But to make it a little bit easier, we're going to go right to the jack. The jack is right here. It's held in by this strap. Pull that aside, and you can grab the strap and pull it out, which you're going to need to jack up the car with anyways. But once that's out of the way, my light here, that makes it easier or worse, I don't know. But here's the eyelet right here that we're going to be turning. You turn this counterclockwise with the tool that is in the toolkit. These tools right here. This end is designed to receive this end of the tool, and they fit right in, just like that. They kind of snap, and you take the hook end here, and you're going to hook it in, just like that. And when you have it all together, looks kind of like this. And then you would turn it, hard with one hand, but you turn it like this, counterclockwise. As that's turning, it's lowering the cable, which is lowering the tire. That's how you lower it. And then obviously to go the other way, counterclockwise, tighten it back up. Let's go to the bottom side, and I'll show you what that looks like. So when you get your tire down and it's loose like this, the center portion has a little foot on it, and when you lift the tire up, it takes a little doing. You can fold that up and shove it through the hole, and then you can slide the tire out. When you're all done with the spare tire and you're putting it back together, you have to remember to fold it, slide it through the hole, and it puts the feeder out like this, just outside the hole. Then you can kind of hold it kind of level as best you can, and then twist the handle up there clockwise, and it'll pull it right up into this cavity. Ours has a trailer hitch, which coming down kind of caused some issues, but going back together, we're gonna shove it. We've got this light here. Let me show you. There's a little ledge up here on this frame rail. The front of the tires are going to lay up into there, and then we balance it right here on the edge of that hitch. Then we're able to reel it in, and this is what the cable looks like, and it goes through that tube, and that's what you're turning, and that's how you drop it down, and that's how you replace it. So when it comes to the jack, it's pretty unique in itself. Volvos, they love doing quirky jacks. So we're going to take the same two tools that we use to lower and raise the spare tire with, and we're going to loop it in right here And then we're gonna turn it just like this. And that's how you raise and lower the jack. The other unique thing, this fits in very specific frame rail underneath the car, front or rear. There's 2 spots. You can look underneath and see it pretty easily, but I'll show you here in just a second. And that's how you raise and lower the car. So looking underneath the car, there's this, and on the other Volvos, this is where the jack would go. But on the XC90, it's different. It looks like this. It's a little folded piece of metal, really. And on the other side, there's another complementary flat part. So with the jack, and the way that the jack is designed, like this, it would fit up in here, just like that. And there's a spot here for it. It's that piece of metal again. Slides in there nice and snug, and it fits really nice and tight. You twist this end of it, and obviously make it go up or down. And there's one there, and there's also one back here in front of the back tire, right by the fuel filter. And that's the jacking points. There's 2 on each side, front and back. And that is where you put the jacks. So there it is. I hope that helps. I hope I was able to enlighten you a little bit, and hopefully you can get the tire out, change your spare tire if you ever have to. But just kind of a pro tip, when you're going back together with it, that centerpiece that goes through that circle in the middle of the rim sometimes gets held up or cocked out to one side. So just make sure you get it nice and even, centered in there, and it makes it a lot easier to reel it back in. But other than that, hope that works, and give me some comments below if you have any questions, and have a good day. We'll talk to you later.